guys, welcome back to another video. We're today, oh, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing this Try Not to Laugh. It's over here. Pat and Jen, popular MMOS, I believe. And it's about funny cat fails complications. So 3, 2, 1. You can't see it. We have to take it off the thing so you see it. You see there? Hopefully you can see it. Hope you all can see it. So get closer. Oh, plus drop the like on this video. If we can hit 20 likes for my first video, I promise I'll do another video. So it's so adorable. Oh god, it's hilarious.
I can't really make that noise.
Oh no!
I'm trying to get a nice amount of water.
That is too much water! Where are you going with that?
I'm going behind you into the sweat door.
It's so long!
It really is. You're good.
It's like in my butt!
But don't laugh at this part again.
Okay.
Be prepared.
So I was laughing, but nothing was coming out.
Oh god,
Okay.
I can't see.
Holding it.
Oh, it's so cold!
Do what you need to do.
Okay.
21 seconds. Good luck. Good thing it's a 6-minute video.
Alright, I'm going down the front.
The front?
The front!
Oh! It went down the side. Okay. No laughs. Nothing's funny. You're just cats.
Nothing's funny. That was so sad.
No. No. I don't know how I held that in. It sounded like it was screaming. Like it was really like a human being, it sounded
I'm
like.
pretty sure it said help. Help! No!
Did not want to go that bad. It looked like it was recorded.
Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video for now. Look.
You ready to eat? Or get spanking?
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat?
No,
Why?
we have to wait for my brother.
Why?
Shake it off.
Cause you can have some wings if you want. Sorry about that, guys.
No, 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 no.
And again, I hope you drop a like on this video.
Why was that so funny?
I held it until after.
Oh my god, I'm doing so bad. No, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Actually, put your arm straight up in the air before I smell it. There's like water everywhere.
I don't like this very much.
Everything's nice and clean now. How's your arm? It's good?
It's really cold. I can't feel my body.
Nothing's getting less funny
I
yet.
think I'm getting frostbite.
Are you recording it? Let's eat. You don't have to wait on together.
Jesus!
Have you not even laughed yet? Are you
I
like,
have
oh
one.
my goodness.
Oh my god.
Look at that cat.
Oh man, the next one, you know what's gonna be bad. She's like all calm. The cat's gonna jump on her head or something. Alright, we'll just go straight to the back. That's where it's good. How do you like come out?
Miss me completely.
I did not. Your hair guarded you. Your
Yay!
hair protected you.
Yay, thank you,
It went
hair.
down like a slide off your head. Didn't go through. Couldn't
I've
penetrate
never
the
felt
hair.
that one.
You didn't feel it, right?
I'm nervous. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful.
You have very big freaking legs, man. Oh, I didn't mean to.
Quelle surprise! La sœur de boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
Okay.
Yes!
I
Yes!
think the cat did just run by and run into a door.
Alright, now where should I go?
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Ted!
No!
Do this!
Oh!
You need a napkin? Here. Here you go.
I'm okay. I'm fine. You know,
I have to get you good.
just making a YouTube video right now. A little bit wet.
Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be enough time for today. So I hope you liked that video. I'll be doing another video for the rest of it. I hope you liked the video, and subscribe if you like this video. And hope you enjoyed this video. And so have a nice day. Goodbye.